dumping off the open.
Little Dumperinsky. Grand Rising.
The grandest. The grandest.
Oh, man, this is the exact scenario I was looking for at the open. This dump and then a potential hold right here. Fuck, I kind of want to take this opening drive, which is
Don't do it.
I don't know, man. It's the exact scenario I kind of was like thinking. I was like, if this dumps right here, kind of like it. Look at this fucking reclaim too, dude. I try it. Smaller size. I'm going to try it. I'm trying it smaller size. Put my stop below this bar.
Off the open.
I know it is sketchy. It is sketchy. If it hits, I will fucking just fully pull back. But I literally was like, oh, if we can get an impulse dump into like 960s and then hold and then rip up towards 50s, like 2050s, that's my bigger picture play right now. Yeah, I'm gonna add to this, dude.
Order filled.
Oh my goodness.
I know, kind of aggressive off the open, but dude, I like it, bro. I fucking like it.
What's gotten into you?
I know. I might regret it.
What's gotten into you, man?
If it does hit, I'm gonna be ultra patient till like 10 a.m. But
oh my goodness.
Let's see if that impulse candle can hold.
I think it's gonna sweep London lows, bro.
It might. It's pretty aggressive off the open, but this is kind of my impulse idea.
I hope you're good.
Nah, I'm probably gonna get smoked.
He said, "Bro, is hitting the Vegas gambling early." Yeah, bro, you didn't even make it to Vegas yet.
I know.
This dude didn't even make it to Vegas yet, bro.
I know. Oh, it's gonna fuck me, dude. Way too aggressive. I did like this little scenario. I'm not against this. Like, honestly, I was too aggressive for sure.
Woke up. What did you do last night?
Nothing, bro.
Oh my God.
There we go. Okay, that was a fun little attempt off the open. Too aggressive, honestly. No, but I'm telling you, here what I was looking for. Okay, so anyways, good morning, everyone. That was way too aggressive and fast, but it's okay. Down 370. So what I was looking for, though, I was looking for an impulse into this area of 960s, and if we held that, then reclaim VWAP and then went for 2050s, that would have been a really good, like, impulse fake out up into the near-term volume point of control. So that's why I was willing to try that. I shouldn't have added, though, and it was just too aggressive. Now I'm just really gonna have to sit on the sidelines and wait. That's the price you pay of trading the opening drive and attempting those here and there. Is what it is. So, but good morning. Good morning, everyone. What's going on?
Top of the top.
Good morning. Top of the top. Top of the top. Nice loss to start off the stream. Not stoked on that.
It's nothing. 370 is nothing to a player like you.
Oops. I'm gonna add this. Today's the last day for this 55% off. Top one futures, last day right now for this 55% off deal. If you're interested, check it out. We're dumping off the open. Dumping. Dumpskis. Little dumpskis right now. Damn, real big dump off the open, dude.
Yeah, bro. This is, what is this? This is 96s. Yeah, we're almost at 100.
Massive.
We're like 70. We're at 65. I think like 65 point.
Here, bro.
Dump.
Here we go. Okay. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning,
the
chat.
Gambler and me will buy right now on this over.
Bro, sitting the Vegas gambling early. I love that, Fit Trader. I know, dude. I'm too excited to go to Vegas.
You go tomorrow?
I haven't been to a proper pool party in like 2 years, dude. It's about time. I'm just excited to go.
I've never been to a pool party.
They're fun, dude. Like the Vegas nightclubs are so fucking whatever. Just I don't really like the nightclubs at all, but the pool parties are just like a whole different experience. Really fun. You just get fucking wasted during the day and in the sun with your friends. It's great. It's really, really great. So game plan today, it is FOMC. Happy FOMC day, guys. Basically, the idea is I'm not expecting a lot before the announcement. I'll be pretty surprised if we do get some crazy move. But we've been bullish. Like, yeah, today could be the catalyst for it. I don't know. I'm not going to be around for FOMC personally. And if you do trade FOMC, just be careful. Please be careful. It's such an easy way to fuck up everything, honestly. So, and the dopamine you get from actually crushing it is short-lived. to say the least. So here's the bounce I wanted right off my level, dude. 930.
There it is.
Yeah, I'm not getting into this fucking. I bet you this will hold here, dude. Kind of like it.
Yeah, I mean, this probably is the London.
I'll try one more time. I might.
Oh no, you're gonna wait a second.
No, fuck you, Lawrence. I'm trying it one more time.
Wait a second.
Three contracts, very small. Very small.
You lost your privileges when you did that opening drive.
I know, I did. Now I'm going light, going small. I got the stop at the lows. It bounced right off my level here, 930s.
Okay.
Let's see what happens.
Yeah, $99 isn't bad.
Yeah, exactly. $99 ain't bad. Ain't bad. The other one was too aggressive, but I like this right off my level here. Let's see if we can get the full follow through. I need full follow through. We got 950s here. You got a nice little 2-minute bar here. Look at this. No, don't do that. Don't do that, man.
So what are you going to do? So what's next if you get stopped out here? What do you do next?
I'm going to sit until fucking 10 a.m.
Okay. You said that last time.
I know.
You said that last time.
I know, you're right. Oh, dude, I'm going to get fucking destroyed today. One of those days.
I think you should stop after this.
Completely for the whole day? No. Dude, come on. Give me a second to breathe, bro.
I did. I gave you 2 seconds.
2 attempts. That's it, though.
Yeah.
Let's see it. Give us a full reclaim.
There you go. There it is.
I'm just going to be chilling. I'm only 3 contracts deep. It's not much. It ain't much of anything. Ain't much. I'm figuring out how I can add eventually into it if it does hold. That would be the question. How can I add if it does hold? If it does hold,
the opportunity will present itself.
Nice little 2-minute attempt here. How's this 30-second look? A little higher low.
That's nice. That looks okay. That looks
pretty
nice.
I gotta get above this though. These 50s though. It's
pretty decent.
Still kind of heavy, dude.
It does look pretty decent.
Came right into this lower morning structure on the 5-minute. The retest here makes sense. Look at this. Retest the lows here. Need to get back above these 50s for sure. But let's see. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. Much more decent. Nice. But again, it's only 3 contracts. So I'm like,
It's okay.
But, I don't know. I'll be cautious. I'll be.
I mean, if you snipe the bottom like that, then you don't really need much size. You're just gonna let the market give you the money.
I know. I mean, I'm still looking for that 2050s, 2250s. It's my bigger picture target here. See if we can get the move up towards it. Pretty nice bounce so far.
Nice.
Nice.
The
magic of levels, dude. First one was too aggressive. Second one was right on the money with the level.
Nice.
Let's see. Let us see, my friend.
Let's see it.
Coming into VWAP here on QQQ. Can we get full follow through? I think I'm just not going to touch this and let it fully trade.
You have no choice with the amount of risk you got on.
Yeah, I know. It's like $100. I don't give a fuck. Let's see what they do. 3-minute chart. Give me another ham skis on the 3-minute. Be nice. You know what I kind of like today? I like RTY today. I know you're gonna be sick of me.
I don't like RTY today.
I know you don't. What's up, chat? Good morning. Give us some fucking good mornings, dudes. Come on.
Right. Tanner started it off with a lot of.
I fucking came in aggressive, dude. Too much.
Yeah, he came in aggressive.
Too much liquid IV with caffeine for the fasted cardio, dude. Just came in ripping.
Sounds like I'm gonna have to pull these bad boys out.
Oh God! Remember last time those happened?
Yeah, I know. I went on a calm tilt.
Calm tilt, dude. That might be me today. It just won't be calm.
What's going on, Rusty? First time watching the stream with YouTube. Of course, Tanner goes full Dejan. Yes.
Well, it's pretty aggressive off the open. I had a plan for it. It's okay. I had a plan for it. I literally was like reciting that in the pre-market. I was like, dude, if we need a little impulse dump into there, it just went further than I wanted. But let's let this fully reclaim. If we get the move back up towards 50s, Won't be bad. Won't be bad. Thing is here, I can't really add in this area. I can only add now if we get back above 15s here, way up here, because we can easily just reject VWAP, come back down, reject this structure, come back down, and so it's just not super high probability for me. But I like how this is starting to shape up a little bit. Coming into VWAP here, let's see. QQQ VWAP.
Yeah,
what
this
happens?
is looking pretty good for you so far.
Not terrible. Not terrible.
Looks pretty good for you.
Not terrible. I kind of want to add a couple more. Should I add here? Is this where I should add? Fuck you.
Order filled.
Reclaim VWAP here. Give us the push through it. Come on.
Give it to us.
Give us the push through it. Strong good morning from Aaron Korn. Good morning. Dude, you got a sick last name, dude. Like the band. Korn.
Korn. Yeah, that is hard.
Got the AI pick. That's what's good. We're cruising right into VWAP here. We need a real big push through. We needed an impulse push through where everyone's like, oh shit, dude, we're reversing fully. Yep, like that. Like that. More. Keep giving me it. Keep giving me it, please. Look at these candles, dude. These are really long tails here on the 3-minute. Kind of like that.
Yeah, it is. You say you don't like that?
I do like that.
Oh, I was about to say, doesn't that signal buying?
Yeah, it's pretty great. Yeah, it does signal buying. It's great. So you can get 22,050s. That's really what I'm looking for. I know it's quite a bit of ways away, but if we can get up there, that'll be super nice. It'll be super duper nice if we can get up there.
I haven't seen anything yet for me.
Yeah, I mean, it might be one of those just straight V-shape reversal type scenarios. Well, here comes the VWAP reject. So how does this follow through is going to be the question. How does this follow through?
Why not move Tanner? Why not move to break even? It's because he wants the gold. He's a R multiple guy. We're going to get in at the bottom. Yeah. We want it all. We want it all.
Yeah, I wouldn't move.
We don't pussyfoot around here. We don't.
I wouldn't break even here. I would maybe consider moving it to like 40s. I don't know. Let me look at some smaller structure here. See, there's not really. This is the thing, though. I look at like pivot points for my structure where I'm wrong, and there's nothing here literally until these lows. That's the problem. So we are testing VWAP here, though. That's what I just don't like. I need consistent follow through, like right now, and just to go with it.
You can get real sticky real quick. I think you're good, though.
I don't know, bro. It's rejecting VWAP here.
Letting it play.
Letting it trade. Don't overthink it. Don't overthink it, my friends. Don't overthink it. It's easy to overthink on this stupid ass 30-second chart, though. So let me go to the 3-minute.
Get off the 30-second.
Get off the 30-second, bro. Yeah, that's only for entries. Oh no, I really like these tails, dude. It's pretty nice.
Yeah,
like they're just like really, really big tails. So
yeah, I think it's looking good so far.
Yeah, we had a double sweep of this low, right? We had the sweep of this and sweep of this. Kind of makes sense, right? Kind of basically into support. I like this, bro. I'm fucking holding this shit all the way to 2050s, 2250s. Maybe even further. I'll scale out some into 2250s. I want to look to add even a little bit more. If I can somehow do that. I like it so far. It's looking good. I'm going to add 2 more, dude.
Order filled.
Stop giving me FOMO, Tanner. Shit.
Sorry, bro. But this will take me fully out for the day. If this comes all the way down here, that'll be max loss.
Dude, already added like 2 fucking times. I'm still sitting here trying to be a disciplined trader.
I know.
That Mark Douglas would be proud of. Like, fuck, man.
Give me 2250s, dude. That's all I want. That's all I want. Range low to range high. That's all I want. I'm not asking for a whole lot here.
Over here,
I like it.
Into his position,
fully
loaded.
I like it. I absolutely like it.
Damn, bro.
Tricky little closure here, though. That's what I don't like. Right into VWAP on NQ. Right into the NQ VWAP here. Big patience. Big old patience.
Mm-hmm.
Dominic, we got Dominic in the chat. What's up, y'all? Personally wanting to get into buys and joined to see what you're all up to. I swear a lot of the times I'm in the same direction of y'all. Awesome. That's good. Hopefully this doesn't fuck us over right here. So let's see.
I'm still hands off, family.
Yeah, there's nothing wrong with that. It is rejecting NQ VWAP.
I'm trying to be a good trader here.
This follows through here. Not too bad. I would just love for this to push towards priority high. That'd be real nice. Real nice. I don't like the rejection here.
Mm-hmm.
What I don't like now is this. We got to get through this pin bar. Look at this ugly 2-minute pin bar.
Mm-hmm.
Let's engulf this, get back above 22K. Give me 22,050s, please. Be great.
I could possibly enter right here, but I don't. I'm not. It's not.
It's
high
hard.
quality.
It's really hard because you don't have any structure to place your stop against. Like, unless you want to use the low day, right? And that's 60 points, pretty big.
I can't do that.
You know, I'm at least have like a little bit more room because I entered way down here.
I could enter, but I'm just not. I just can't. This is not high quality enough for me.
Yeah, it's a really, there's like no entry model. It was one entry model here. I feel like they're just gonna fucking rip this straight up.
Yeah,
Honestly.
this isn't. I would just have to miss this because this isn't quality.
Yeah, wait till 22,050s and then see how we react around there, because I think that's gonna be that's near term volume point of control, also prior day high. It's a really good confluence point, so I think that'll be a good spot to potentially get involved if we get up there. We got to get through this little area right here. Damn, RTY looks strong, bro. Real strong. Give us the push. Come on. Keep it going, my friends. Keep it going. Keep her going. Keep her going.
I probably could have entered right there. I just didn't want to.
It's okay, dude. You can be patient. There's nothing wrong with it. I was the menace on stream today. Okay, so you know how it is. Sometimes the menace gets rewarded. Sometimes the menace suffers.
Yeah.
You know, so it's totally okay. There's nothing to stress. Nothing to stress. You could potentially get involved. Yeah, you could potentially get involved here and have your stop be below. You have this VWAP candle now that we're working with, right? Like maybe your stop's right below 56s. Now it's 50 points. It's kind of big, but right into 22K here. This is the big area. You don't want to get long here at 22K.
No.
That's kind of the hard part. We need to
I should have gotten in when I said that I wanted to get in, but it just wasn't a good quality, bro. I couldn't bring myself, because if I were to lose, I wouldn't have liked that. I wouldn't have liked that.
Look at this. It's just like there's no entry model here on a 2-minute or anything. Like it's just like it was down here on this failed attempt to go lower. 30-second right here, like a subtle little higher low. Like that was it. That's all you had to work with. And then now it's just kind of cruising. So let's go to the 5-minute.
What time frame was that?
That was 30-second.
Oh,
yeah.
That's my entry model on the 30-second. I'm looking at it.
Yeah, the pullback.
Yeah.
It's okay. It's okay. How are we doing, chat? What's going on? Let's see if we can get 22,050s. Let's see it. Let us see it. If we do,
my entry model on the 30-second.
Maybe you got to switch to the 15-second, bro.
I know. I need to do better with my time frames.
Do better. Should I take some off at 30s here, or should I go for my full 50s? The safe money is some here into this 30s. The greedy money is into 50s. What do I do? Is the question. I think I'm going to go for 50s. I think I'm going to let this fully fucking engulf this and go if it can. We're just extended right now. Just let it trade. RTY looks so good, bro. So good. I love it. How we doing, chat? What's going on? Shadow Scalper in the house. I love this guy. This is the only guy that's like really consistent from well, there's a bunch of people from Twitter. Usually have more from Twitter than we do on YouTube. But Shadow Scalper is the only one that says what's up every day so far. That's what's up. Good to see you. Where's this? Mapple's new one. What up, man? What's going on? Is it Maples? Maples? It's kind of sick logo. It's dope. Pretty dope.
I'm disappointed.
We're cruising. I know. This is a real test of your discipline, though. Like, for sure. And, like, dude, there's just no entry. It's just a straight up reversal fucking.
I had an entry.
I know.
I called it.
I know. I get it. I get it.
I know a lot of people in the chat has been in the same position as me right now, where like it was there, but it wasn't great quality, so you didn't want to take it, and now it's just taking off without you.
Let's see if we can even fucking let's see what we can do here. How's the 15-minute look? Actually, let's go to higher time frames. Oh, look at that tail. Wow.
Yeah.
Pretty nice. I feel like we should easily come and sweep this up here, 65s. I'm taking off the bulk here into 44. If we can get it. Still got some ways to go. Oh, just gonna be patient for it. Patience. Patience pays. As the kids like to say.
I'll be patient.
Just gotta be patient here. Much patience. Ooh, there we go. Nice push, dude.
I fucking knew it.
Sorry, dog.
I got FOMO.
Happens. I know. Let's get what do we leave? 2 runners? 1 runner? We'll put out an order up here a little bit. 48s and 44s. Majority at 44s to be safe. Just shy of kind of coming up into here. Looking for wow, this 30 minutes a pretty nice hammer. Not gonna lie. We got some room though to prior day high, that's for sure. Things just pushing, dude.
Should I lock my accounts?
You got that much FOMO already? Dude, wait till we get into 22.
I don't have that much FOMO, but it's
okay,
just
so
like,
here's a scenario. This is what I would be looking for.
Hold on real quick. I think that my move has already occurred. And I don't know. Like normally I get 1 to 2 good moves every single day. Like really just one, but 1 to 2 good moves every single day. So what do you think based on that information?
I would want to see how this 2250 area digests, because if this digests and you get an entry model up here, this can go for 22,200s, in my opinion, which is up towards sweeping this, right? Or at least like 140s from yesterday. Then I think the big area is going to be this 22,150. So if you can get 2250s up towards 22,150s, it's 100 points, definitely possible. And with this type of action right now, like this thing's fucking going, dude. It might get up there. So I'm going to leave a couple runners and see maybe what they can do. If we can kind of get up here a little bit more. I mean, we're definitely cruising right now. I think everyone's waiting for this pullback. It's kind of the problem. I don't like the straight up moves like this because then you get really big impulsy candles sometimes like this. Look at this fucking candle, dude. Now I should move my stop up though. If this for some reason takes me out, put it at 940s down here. This is a really aggressive rejection. I really don't like how
it'll probably recover given the much buying pressure. Like this natural order of things,
Yeah.
Big push up, nice size retracement.
Right in the 22,000 here again. See them engulf this. That'd be nice. Engulf this 5-minute bar. You engulf this wick. Right on 20.
It's probably gonna reclaim that wick.
That's all. Yeah, I want to see that. I need to see that. There's just a lot of volume on this 2-minute bar, dude. I don't know why. It's big. This engulfing bar is pretty awful.
How big is it?
How big is it? Oscar, I love y'all. We love you. We love you. We love you. Even though you called me a pussy one day, I still love you. I don't forget, bro. Big enough. Big enough. Damn, but Lawrence, I know Lawrence is fighting every inner demon because you're just kind of quiet. You're like,
bro, it's because I can enter right here. This could be the bounce off the break, and I could really enter right here, but I'm just,
I know, I get it.
Just being patient, man. Just being the person I aspire to be right now.
I respect it, dude.
Being
Much
the
love.
trader I aspire to be.
Love and respect. Love and
I've been doing great this week. No need to fuck it off now.
Yeah, I get that.
I am sad as shit. Fuck you, Fit. Yeah, I am. So what?
Lawrence is sad as shit. We don't know what's gonna happen here. We gotta let this digest.
I fucking knew, Fit. I knew.
I just hate how big this rejection is.
Thanks, Colton. See, you guys are making me feel better because I know I'm doing the right thing here, but sometimes doing the right thing still doesn't feel good, you know?
That's true.
You know what I'm saying?
Like we always like to say, everyone, we still have these emotions. It's like, I think at any level you as a trader, you're still gonna have some emotions. Just like you learn how to turn the volume down on some of them. That's the thing. It's like the big difference.
It's like, what do you do once you have them? How do you react? How do you respond?
How do you react? How do you respond?
And I felt these emotions so many times in my career that it's just like I know what comes next if I act on them.
Mm-hmm.
I just know what comes next.
Takes balls to be patient. Yeah, it does.
It does,
man. Really does. It really does.
Big balls, may I add.
Big balls, yeah. Can we engulf all this and go? Give us 10 a.m. Just rip stick towards the highs, please.
The rip sticker.
Rip sticker.
I'm just waiting for my opportunity. And once I'm in, this could be the opportunity right here, but it's not there for me yet.
It's just not still yet. Like, yeah, I'm not even confident that we're going to get this full push up here.
It's not there for me yet. I know it when I see it, and it's not there yet.
It's trying. It's fucking really getting fought a lot. A lot of fighting.
You just got to remember there's a lot of opportunities in the market.
Always opportunity.
Always opportunities.
That's why Friday I'm taking off. I will not be here. I do not care. There'll be more opportunities another day.
Mm-hmm.
Y'all trading after FOMC? Nah. I'm not gonna lie. Inner degen in me wants to hit some SPX 0 DTEs. Not gonna lie. Jesus. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie.
Jesus.
Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. Will I do it?
Those things fucking print, bro. You can
do. You gotta be super content with losing like a full fucking whatever you put into it. Like it's a fucking hero or zero pretty much always.
For sure.
So yeah, I'm not opposed to that, but I just have to keep the risk really small. That'd be the thing. 10 seconds till 10 a.m. I don't think we have any data or anything. But hopefully we get a move. Engulf these wicks. Engulf them. slow. I don't like this. I'm gonna let it trade. You guys are gonna watch him get fully stopped or fully hit TP. Because as Lawrence says, thanks for the gem, Lawrence.
Mm-hmm.
What
I say?
The move in between your stop loss and take profit
Yeah.
is just noise.
It is.
Yeah.
It is. Can't pay too much attention to it.
Noise. It's just fucking noise, dude. It's just noise.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not a fan of this, bro.
Start cutting.
Nah. I'm gonna pull back the view up here, see what it does. This is where it should bounce if it's going to. That's for sure.
Mm-hmm.
Oof. I don't like the action. Let's see what they're gonna do. This is heavy, bro. Pretty heavy.
I'm curious about what's about to happen next.
I know, dude. It's pretty fucking heavy.
I'm very curious about what's about to happen next. Because
pretty fucking heavy.
This shit might. We'll see.
Hero or zero. Hero or zero. I don't like the volume.
Brian got some 0 DTE spy calls and puts the Deegan and me.
Yeah. I don't like this. There's a lot of volume right now, dude. This is a good amount of volume right here pushing down. That's what I don't like. And you see this view up reclaimed.
It's okay. Yeah. Here we go. Right.
This would be the entry here, to be honest. For a long, if you wanted to take the risk reward.
Not yet. I need a little bit more. And if it doesn't,
whatever your heart desires. I might get fully stopped, bro. I might get fully stopped out. 41.25s here. Let's just have more structure to work with. That's my thing. 2 minute. It's like maybe put it like right here. 390. Reclaim this, please. All of it.
There you go.
Much more decent. Retest a 22K. If we reclaim this, there it is. Okay. You can probably put your stop here at 80s. Oh, there we go. Look at this 2 minute. Oh, dude, it's 2 minute bullish engulfing. Pretty nice. See the follow through here. Give us a follow through. Wow, look at this 5 minute power, dude. This is crazy. This hammer needs to close up here, though. It needs to close.
You know what's crazy? Like, I still haven't entered on this because I don't. This is just not it for me. Like,
I know it is kind of like trippy action where it's really like it's just very V-shapey where it's like it feels sus. Well, that's what I don't know. It's real sus.
Honey pack time.
Honey pack time. Damn, this 2 minute bar is fucking nuts, dude. Look at this 2 minute bar. This is crazy. Wow.
Yeah. I mean, this is you got this.
Oh, fuck. Let's fucking give me all of it, dude. Take us to the highs, bro. Holy shit. What a fucking pullback to VWAP. What a pullback to VWAP. Wow.
I can't do it.
Give us follow through. Give me some covers up here into 44s. You got it. 20 more points. Come on. Come on. Come on. Push it. Keep pushing. Give us the cover. FOMOing hard. Done for the day. But these moves, yeah. It's crazy when you think about it, though. It's like, I mean, it's actually only like a literally 150 point move. It's actually not that much. It's just like the size of the candles and how like aggressive they are. I think that's what makes it different.
I couldn't do it.
You know, I feel
couldn't do it. Not on this.
Oh, these motherfuckers, dude. I swear to God.
Can't do it.
I'm gonna move to break even now. Because if this for some reason takes this out down here, dude, there's no way.
This is just really sketchy action, bro. I just don't approve of it. I don't know. It's just something off about it. It's like it looks like it's going. I don't know, man. It looks valid, but for me, it's just not it.
I know. This 2-minute bar is just crazy, dude. It's really hard to. They just swept this liquidity right here, which is interesting. I just need a little bit more. Just a wee bit more. Just a wee bit more. Dude, I feel a little sussed about this. I'm not gonna lie.
This might just be a retest. So I might hop in once we get a nice little reaction. This might just be a retest.
I'm a little sussed about this, bro. I'm a little sussed about it. Not gonna lie. I'm gonna let it trade. I'm gonna let it trade. Because it's too big of a 5-minute bar for me to be like jump out of it. But this would be some sus shit where they barely sweep it here and then they finally dump it. That would suck. Just give me some covers up here, dude. Give me some covers. Maple's done for the day. Have a good day, y'all. Be safe. Thank you. See you Friday.
Yeah, sure, bro.
Today was the last deal for yesterday for top one. Today's the last day. Use code STRONG. Check it out for the 55% off the pro accounts, which they are intraday trailing drawdown. So I definitely need to disclaim that. I'm not sure if my code actually might work for the other ones too for 55%. Check it out. Try putting it in. See where it's at. See where it's at. I'll throw the link in the chat for you guys.
I think I'm going to take a long soon, depending on how this reacts.
It's looking decent. Looking decent here.
Mm-hmm.
Looking decent, friends. Let's get the fucking fills. Come on. Give me some love.
I don't like it. I don't like it, but I'm in though.
Where's your stop? Below this 2-minute bar? 5-minute bar?
Yeah.
Okay, that didn't sound confident. Come on, tell me. Where's the fucking stop? No activation fee for straight to funded. Correct. No activation fee. What you pay is what you get. You're good to go. No activation fee, Steve. Good question. Lawrence, I need more comment. What the fuck was that? Oh, but flops here. No. You need to know where it is, dog. Come on.
It's below the 2-minute. Yes, it's below the 2-minute bar, bro.
All right. Give me some covers here. Let's get some fucking action. Come on.
It's below the 2-minute bar.
Let's get some fucking action, dude.
Oh my goodness.
Give me the fills. Let's watch the Dom creep up here. Come on, 44s. Give me 44s, baby. Give me 44s. RTY's ripping. We're getting some market-wide pushes here. Come on. Come on.
I'm going for 120s, bro.
Yeah, dude. I mean, honestly, I might take my runners to 150s if we can get going. RTY looks so good. So good. One more push, dude. Don't edge me, man. Why do I get edged so much? Come on. Oh my fucking fuck, dude. I'm sick of this shit. Come on, dog. Push higher. Engulf this shit. What's the stability percentage versus 20% consistency? So the stability score on the intraday trailing drawdowns is basically I think it's still it's 30%, but basically what that whole thing means is your best day plus your worst day is what they basically take that percentage off of. So the easiest way to explain it, let's say you make $10,000 overall for a payout. You got 20%, which would be $2,000. Your best day could be 2,000. Your worst day can be 1,000, which makes 3,000. So that's 30% of 10 grand. So that's the stability thing versus 20% consistency is just straight up 20% consistency. So it's like if you make 10,000 on like the normal account, you know, it's just basically 2 grand can be your best day overall. So hopefully that clears that up. Dude, I don't like this playing around up here. I just want to get a big old fucking boner candle, just to rip stick towards the highs.
Jeez.
Can we get that, please? Can we please get that? Just a rip stick. Rip stick. That'll be like the next t-shirt I make. Say, yeah, I think I'm gonna make some shirts. Chat, let me know what you think about this. I want to make shirts that literally just simply say -NQ and like -ES. Just really, really simple. That'd be kind of sick. Just plain, clean. What you think, chat? Should we make those? Should I make those? Strong Trading NQ shirts.
I'm so locked in right now.
I know you are locked in. What are you fucking full ported?
No, I have 5 micros.
Are you full ported?
No.
Pretty gay. Fair enough. And then you got Oscar. That's a cool idea. Luna in the house. What's good, Luna?
Good, Luna.
What the fuck is good, Luna? Everyone check out Luna.
Coming out. Check out Austin Silver's podcast with Luna.
Yeah, Luna. Yeah, I know. I just saw the tease for that. Is that this Saturday, Luna? You're gonna be live on Saturday? I just realized I never posted a story for the live stream. Well, it's okay. Let's see if we can get this live. Let's see if we can get a Phil live in front of everyone on my story.
Find you, bro.
I know they know where to find me. Oh, this Instagram does that thing. All right, let's see it. Let's see it live. Let's get the covers live. Come on, gimme it. We are live, baby. We're cruising. We got the gang up in here. We got 179 of y'all watching. Do I get covered or do I get edged? That is the question. Already read on the day, but this will put me green. What's going to happen? We got Luna in the house. We got the gang here. Do we get covered? Oh, I'm getting edged.
Order filled.
Let's go. Let's go. Give me a little more. Give me a little more. Give me a little more, baby. We'll take the cover. Join in. Live stream Monday through Thursday. Strong Trading. Boom. That was sick. Got that on the story. You guys are all fucking famous now. Here on the story. Dude, what a fucking cover, bro.
Yeah,
what a fucking cover.
We got a lot of room too, I think.
Yeah, I think I got 3 left. Do I keep this here? This one, or do I hold these 3? I think I might go for the fucking I might go for this sweep up here, bro. 65s. At least on my next cover.
Mm-hmm.
That's not too bad, right? That's not terrible.
It's not too bad, right?
That's not too bad. That's not too
bad. Does
not
right? Sound confident at all. That's not too bad, right? Like if I go
that's not too bad, right?
Yeah.
That ain't too bad. We're right here in the VPOC, though. This is near-term volume point of control and NQ. That's what I don't like.
We have a lot of space, bro.
We need to go.
We need to go.
I'm putting these out here.
Big go.
At this, I want this to be swept. I want it to be swept.
Yesterday.
Sweep them, baby. Sweep them. You know what? I don't want to be a dick for a tick, actually. I'm going to cover 2 here.
Order filled.
Covering 1. Cover 1.
Pussy.
Cover 1. Yeah, pussy. I know. Whatever. I was fucking red and now I'm green. It's okay. Strong 15-minute. You're looking good. Yeah, I know. It's, you know, I want to get me in some coaching. Okay, for sure, Luna. For you, special prize. For you, dude, when I went to I forget where I was. I was in some other country, and there's this guy. I know we were in Colombia, and like people are coming to sell us shit, and they're like, for you, like the price is lowered. The price is going down. Like literally, they would open with that. For you, the price is going down. The first thing they would say, and I'm like, oh shit, dude, price
For
is going
you,
down.
like I'm special or something.
Yeah,
For
I'm
you,
special as fuck. For you, price is going down. So I got 2 left.
What if it's like premium? Like, what if it normally is like $15 for you? Price is going down $25.
Down. Price is going down, bro. Exactly. We're cruising for a bruising.
I'm confident.
Let's go. Went to have breakfast and he's still in. You're damn right, Rusty. You're damn right, Rusty.
We hold our shit.
1,500. I'm out. Let's go.
We
W's in the chat for Justin. Good shit, Justin.
W's in the chat for Justin. I'm gonna get a W for you. 1,500 is smooth, bro.
Let's see. Can you guys hear this? Love it. Love it. Don't edge us here. Give us the fucking fill. Do I want to be greedy? I'm gonna be a pussy here, dude, and sell one more, I think. No, I'm gonna hold it. I'm gonna hold it.
I'm holding a full position. I think that you should hold at least 2.
Okay, fine, fair enough. I guess I am up 700 no matter what. If this does come back down to break even.
But if you sell now, you'll be up 900.
Okay, see, well, don't fuck with my mental, bro.
Almost 1,000.
It is rejecting exactly the area I expected to reject. That's what I'm a little worrisome about. This is like the spot, but
I'm going for it.
I know you are. Let's go. Push. Pump. 30-second pump, baby.
We got space, fellas.
Where's the 15-second chart? Come on. 15 check. Give us the 15-second rippers, dude. Give us the 15-second ripper.
I'm gonna hit my girl with a ripper.
Oh, dude. Okay. She'll like that.
If I win this trade.
If you win this trade. Do we gonna move through 50s here? Up into 65s, hit liquidity, cover it. They want to stick it out.
This is honey pack activity right here.
Honey pack.
Have you ever taken a honey pack before?
No, what is that? I've heard of it actually. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is though. I've heard of the name though. Is that like an aphrodisiac thing?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. I mean, dude, I'll just take Cialis instead. It works way better.
What is it called?
Cialis, bro. Come on.
I never heard of that. Send me the link.
You never heard of Cialis?
No, man.
Bro, it's like Viagra.
Send me the link.
It's a prescription. It's not a link. It's a prescription.
I need it yesterday, bro.
Oh God.
I need it yesterday.
Let's go. Cover me. Oh my God. Cover me some. Cover me into the highs. Oh my goodness. Don't tease me. Don't tease me. Cialis is a good time, dude. It's actually really good for your blood pressure. It's actually really, really good for your blood pressure. That pullback had me feeling like I'm smoking a pack. I know, right? That's how it be sometimes. Do I be a dick for a tick here? No, this should sweep this, dude. This for sure is gonna sweep this. I'm confident. I'm Cialis. He's gonna look it up. Cialis. Cialis. It's actually it is really good for your blood pressure, dude. For like, there's so many studies on it now. There's actually some studies too that show people that take Cialis daily have like a lower chance of having heart issues because what it does is basically increases vasodilation. So it allows you to like have like the blood flow through your oxygen and like your muscles better. And so you can that's the whole sense of like how you can just get a better boner. So that's how it works.
Okay. I'm down.
It's great, dude. I fucking take that shit. It's great. It's fantastic.
It won't keep me like cover. It won't keep me like hard forever, right?
No, it doesn't. It's like
I don't want to wake up.
You need to be like turned on. Yeah, you need to be turned on in order for it to work.
Yeah, I don't want to wake
up. What a stream for you guys, dude. We're talking about Cialis. While we're making money trading futures. What a life. Dude.
Honey packs and Cialis.
Honey packs and Cialis on the stream today. That's gonna be the title of the YouTube video. Honey packs and Cialis. Honey packs and Cialis. Give me the cover here, dude, of one more, and then I can just move my fucking runner.
We have space.
There we go. What a ripstick. Give us the ripstick. Here we go, Lawrence. You're in the driver's seat, baby. Now, can we talk about this fucking entry? I got, you guys all laughed at me and tried to call me a cuck at the beginning because at the bottom here, because at the beginning I got stopped out, but then look what happens. I sniped the fucking bottom up to range highs, and look where we're at. That's right. Don't forget it. Don't forget it. Don't fucking forget it.
What's my name?
What's my name?
What's my name?
Let's go. We're getting the ripstick now, baby. Let's fucking go. We're running. We're running here. We're up. Dude, we're fucking cruising, bro. We're fucking cruising. I think we're gonna test the one. We're gonna break prior day high and then go for fucking 150s.
We're going.
I'm gonna hold this runner. I'm gonna trail this runner and just fucking
going to the fucking moon.
We're going to the fucking moon, dude.
Yeah.
Look at this rip, dude. What do I want to trail this runner is the question. I'm gonna be like weirdly upset if I don't make at least $1,000. So I might just cover this all in this push. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna do it. I'm over it. I'm over it.
Do it.
Order filled.
Let's go. W's in the fucking chat. You all saw me get ripped on the first trade being too aggressive. I know I'm excited to go to Vegas, but guess what? That's how you come back. W's in the chat. Give me it. Let's fucking go, guys. Let's fucking go. Luna with the W. Thank you, guys. We'll take the $1,000. Copy traded across 3 accounts. $3,000 a day. I don't like to say it like that, but if you want to get technical, that's what it is. W's in the chat. Wow, this is sick. This is the first time I've seen this many W's. You guys are making me feel so loved. I've always wanted to be that streamer that's like, dude, everyone says W's in the chat. You guys are real ones. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Caught another W. Let's go.
I'm still in.
Lauren's still in. I'm up 1,000 on the day. Let's
nasty
go.
Work.
Keep it going.
That's nasty work, Tanner.
Nasty work. Nasty fucking work. Crushed it, brother. I made 500, not that much, but it's on a story. It doesn't matter. That's still, dude. Like, I like to remind myself and everyone, like, first of all, $400 a day trading is $100,000 a year. That was like my initial goal when I first started trading. I was like, dude, I want to fucking make $100,000 a year from trading. And when you do $400 a day, that's how you do it. It's base hits. The problem is social media has everyone thinking, if you're not making fucking, 20 grand a day, you're a loser. It's like, no, dude, base hits add up. And especially in the prop game, base hits are like literally the name of the game. You'll see so many people bust accounts when they fucking go too aggressive. That's actually what happens. So great work, Fit Trader. Great work. By the way, I saw your Instagram, Fit Trader. You're fucking jacked as fuck. So as long as I'm stronger than you, it's okay. But you're definitely more jacked than me. I'll give you that. Lauren, share your screen since I'm actually I'm going to lock out real quick in front of everyone. Lockout boys. Let's get some lockout boys in the chat. What I want to start doing is I want to get a bunch of lock emojis like right after we take wins. So we're going here. We're going lockout. We're going. I'm not getting fucked up with Asia. I'm still going to do 630. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? Oh, no, I can't do it. I was going to do multiple days if I could because I'm like, I don't want to be drunk in Vegas and be like, I want to trade right now.
Yeah, no, don't do that.
No, I'm not going to do it. Okay, so we're locking that one out. We're going back to settings here. We're going to copy trading. We're clearing it. We're pressing save changes. We're going to this one. We're going to here, manual lockout. We're going to custom. We're going to 6:30 a.m. Just lock me out. And plot twist. This one's up 1,300 because I traded Asia on this account. I know I'm a junkie. Okay, custom 6:30 a.m. Boom. Sick. Cool. And this other one is this Asia account's doing real bad. The person they lost. This one's getting smoked, dude. But it's okay. We'll take the wins on this. W's in the chat. Lockout boys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I love this. The lock emojis. That's what I'm fucking talking about. I love it.
Right. Yeah.
That's sick, dude. That's what I want. Boys. I want everyone to practice that lockout shit. It's really good. All right, Lawrence, you want to take the driver's seat? You can throw your screen up here.
I'm in a tricky spot here, bro. I think I want to sell.
Honestly,
this is a good setup. I'm in a good spot. I'm in a good space.
Yeah, you are. See, look how fucking patient Lawrence was, and he still is looking to capitalize on this trade because he was patient. Yeah, that's what it's about, guys. It's he's truly patient, and That patience pays. It does. Lock emojis. Let's go. I love you guys in the chat. Fuck yeah. Let's go.
Let's do it.
Y'all are too young for that. LOL Diaries of Future Show. He's probably talking about Cialis. Well, if you're if you're on anabolic steroids, it's really good to take Cialis because it's good for your blood pressure. So, like the Fit Trader right here, it's the roids.
Horny goat weed.
You know, I don't blame you. I'm on testosterone myself, my friend. So I'm not one of those influencers that's going to be like, dude, I'm all natty. I used to be natty for a long time, actually. I didn't hop on tests until 7 months ago, 8 months ago. But my W's is I deadlifted 720 pounds naturally. I squatted 600 pounds naturally, and I benched 370 pounds naturally. I've competed at a national ranked level, drug tested in the USPA. So I've had my sprints. It was great, but I hit my 30s, trading ramped up, entrepreneurship ramped up, stress ramped up, and I was like, you know what? Let me get a little bit more energy, hop on some testosterone skis, and feel better. I don't want to use this. I don't want to just openly promote steroids, but if you're smart about it and safe about it, I got a doctor. Like he says, tests will make your confidence go through the roof, more motivated for life in general. Absolutely. Honestly, like that's the fucking best thing. I always tell everyone, I'm like, she's like, oh, how does it feel? I'm like, you just feel like you have more energy all the time, just more confident. It's like, it's a good feeling.
That's love.
Yeah. So straight up. Love it. Love it. We're just cruising here, dude. What a fucking V-shape reversal number one. Absolutely bonkers. Absolutely bonkers. Yeah, I get blood work for sure. I get my blood work done every 3 months religiously. Absolutely. Absolutely. I'm out. Oscar with the $741. Let's go, Oscar. Good shit, bro. Great work, man. Good fucking shit. Yeah, I'd cover some on this push, and I got a level up here. I think 22-100s, 88s.
I'm wait for this one more push. I'm gonna sell most of my position. Honestly,
the five is pretty extended, but you know, it's doing its thing. We're cruising. We're almost at 200 people on here. I love it. Good job, guys. Thanks for joining. What a push, dude. What a fucking push. What a fucking push.
I'm gonna sell some right here.
Yeah, I cover some. Good on 75, 76s. Yep.
It won't let me.
It won't let you. Why won't it let you? Oh, because of that bullshit. Yeah.
That's stupid. I'm pressing the button though. I think it has a little bit of one more push in it.
I know. I think you get one more push into 88s here.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait 1 second.
Yeah. Can we fill this wick? Can we fill it? Volume's increasing. Volume's picking up.
Oh my gosh, I just sold. Fuck.
All of it?
No, I got one contract on.
Why do you do that all the time, dude? I'm gonna be
because they won't allow.
Also, not and be like, are you fucking retarded? Like, how does that always happen?
Because look, it says, do you see my screen? It says market buy, market sell, stop buy, stop sell. For some reason, I just go to market sell by accident.
Oh yeah, no, you got to. Yeah, you got to go to. It's a limit sell or
I know. I accidentally do it. I don't know why I do that shit.
Yeah, yeah. GBK trading, hit the gold chart for a G. That's what's good. Nice work, bro. I don't trade gold personally, but I definitely have some edge. You know what, Lawrence? You actually might be stoked on that sell. Who knows?
Maybe. I'm not. I mean, I'm not against it. Like,
yeah.
I mean, I'm not. It's only a couple ticks, man. I'm straight.
Yeah. Way to be patient, dude. Good shit, Lawrence. Proud of you,
bro.
Yeah.
Appreciate
dude,
it.
RTY is just fucking going. God, I just so badly want to fucking FOMO some SPX 0DTs, dude. So badly. I think what if so? Okay, let's talk about FOMC a little bit. I think I'm really bad with the bigger macro stuff. I just follow price, but I think if they cut rates, then we're ripping, or vice versa. I don't know. Chat, let me know. Whoever's affluent and that type of shit with FOMC and the rate cut stuff. What's the outcome likely for if they do whatever it is? I know there's one. It's like either they cut or whatever. The market should rip higher or like should push lower. I don't know. But I'm like, if we get that one scenario, imagine we just get an insane rip candle straight to all-time highs. It's like, it's not too far off, bro. It's at 40s. We're at 32s, right? We're at QQQ's at $532. All-time highs is 540s. It's really, really not that far off, which is great.
We can
we can get a ripstick candle, dude, and it fucking just goes.
We can definitely get there.
Definitely get there. We could definitely get it. Wow, what a fucking reversal, dude. And what a fucking snipe off 21 930s for me.
Yeah, you did that one. That was crazy.
That was crazy, bro.
Rode the fuck out of the entire, like, you want to talk
thing.
about
I wrote that whole shit. You guys
bottom.
Do it live, dude.
From the bitty bottom to the tippy top.
Literally from the bitty bottom to the tippy top. I'm gonna upload these executions into Zella and see where was my first entry down here. Okay, so 21 940.
Moving my stop below this impulse candle right here. This nice big impulse candle. Put my stop right below that. So worst case scenario, I'm up $405 today. Worst case scenario.
Solid. Pre-FOMC. Can't complain about that. Absolutely not. I can't get over that 2-minute bar that engulfed, dude. Go to the fucking 2-minute. Go to the 2-minute. This pullback to VWAP was legendary. So this was VWAP
right here
on the QQQ chart. This was VWAP right here, like literally right where your cursor is. Look what happens. Yeah. Fucking ripstick, dude. Rip
straight up.
Crazy, bro. Fit trader, way to be patient to find your entry, Lawrence. Yeah, good shit, Lawrence.
Yeah, appreciate it, bro. Appreciate it.
Especially in a move like this. Fuck, man. Crazy. Crazy. Where did you okay, so your entry is what?
Well, it's skewed right there. So I'll show you where I entered that. Oh, I need to do my annotations. I'm tripping. Yeah. So pretty much I went to the 2-minute chart at this point. So you know how my entry model goes for the most part. I just wait for like 2 pullbacks. So I had a pullback right there, boom. And as soon as we got like right here, I had a pullback right there. I entered right here.
Yep.
Entered right there. My entry's a little skewed right now because I sold, so it pushed it up a little bit, but I entered
That's right. Okay. Yeah, that's right. You did enter a little bit lower than that. For sure.
Yeah. So then, yep, that's the play.
Mm-hmm.
That's the play.
That is the play, my friends. It's fucking just cruising. This 5-minute chart is nuts. 15-minute chart, nuts. It's all fucking nuts. Fucking nuts. Dude. 3 for 3 this week, bro. 3 for 3 this week. I did the thing, guys.
Man, I'm proud. I'm so proud of you, bro.
Thanks, dog. I'm pretty close to. I think I'm close to like 2 more payouts, bro. I think I'm gonna cop another 2 payouts this month. I think on these accounts, which is pretty crazy.
Yeah, you've been killing it like the past few weeks, bro. You've been going crazy.
Knock on head, knock on wood. Fucking all that shit.
You've been doing.
Dude, I think it's just like, I think it's the streaming, bro. It just helps me. I'm just so much less of a fucking degenerate and in my head because I can just like, I can just swallow my losses in front of everyone and be like, it is what it is. And then just trading with you on stream, dude. Trading with people, it can be so beneficial if you trade with someone like Lawrence, for example, or me, where I know sometimes I'm a bad influence and we sometimes bad influence each other, but for the most part, you guys see like 90% of the time, it's all like it's like the 90-10 rule, right? Of like, or 80-20, whatever it is, like just in life, dude. Like it's like, you're going to have a majority of the time, hopefully you're disciplined, dedicated, crushing it. But yeah, there's going to be times where you fuck up here and there. Great example is going to be this weekend, dude. Like you guys see me posting like all my lifts. You guys see what I eat with my food. You guys see, like, I'm pretty disciplined for the most part with a lot of my shit, my fucking fasted cardio. But guess what? I'm going to Vegas tomorrow, and for 3 days, I'm going to be a fucking degenerate. Like, I'm not going to lie to you guys. I'm going to fucking party, have fun, and That's my like 90-10 thing, right? 90% discipline, 10% enjoying it. So 2 turn Tanner in the cut. Did Lawrence take the trade?
Yeah, I'm in the trade right now. Yeah, you can see.
I think Ryan was here yesterday, and he's like, is Tanner? Did Tanner take a trade? I think you're just kind of showing up late, but yeah, I crushed a W. But yeah, Lawrence is in the trade right now. Playing the extremes for FOMC. If they stay flat / cut, it's a good chance we go higher. If they raise, or Powell even hints at possibly raising or no cut in the future, we sink. I chart plays weekly pivots. Okay. So you can do, okay, your contract's dirt cheap. So you got to be willing to let it go to 0 on both sides, but I can catch that 300% plus on if one side wins. Yep, for sure. Dude, nice fucking hold, by the way, Lawrence. This thing is just going, dog.
Yeah.
I love Vegas pool parties. You know what's up. You probably like Vegas pool parties more if you got some muscle. Because you're like, all right, let's go. We're fucking jacked. Feels good. You know, but regardless, their Vegas pool parties are so fun, dude. They're so fun. It's just, I don't know, something about drinking in the day with your fucking friends, you know, your girlfriend, wife, whatever it is. It's just so much fun, dude. It's a great time. Can't like, I'm going to post a funny ass reel and post, I paid for this. No one here knows I paid for this table with with real money from a simulated account.
I beat FOMO's ass today. I want everybody to know that. I'm feeling myself. Yeah. That's gonna be my my title for my YouTube.
Yeah, there you go.
For this one.
Riding these 88s here.
Appreciate it, Chandra.
You moved your trail. Nice. You moved your trail up. Good shit.
Yeah.
Good shit. Cruise.
Like on the that's what I was saying, like on the 1 minute chart, there's like this impulse candle right here.
Yep.
I just moved it right below it.
You know what's crazy is your entry was actually the best entry. Mine was the really aggressive entry, and just luckily it worked out from the bottom. But I would say in terms of clean, good quality entry, you had the best entry, bro. Because that was pull back the view up on QQQ. You know, you had like exactly what you were looking for in terms of like your model and setup. I think your entry was actually the best, cleanest, safest move. And it, you know, it paid. Fucking paid.
Yeah, very high quality. It was a very high quality entry.
W for Lawrence on the patience. Yep, absolutely.
Appreciate it, bro.
W for Lawrence on the patience. Huge W for Lawrence on the patience.
It's all right to feel those emotions. It's what you do once you feel them.
Yep. Exactly.
What do you do? How do you respond?
Exactly. Check my dude. I got so much feedback on my story yesterday for the $1,200 daily loss limit for Vegas gambling.
Oh yeah.
I had like 50 or 60 people like that story, dude. And a ton of people were just commenting and laughing. So I'm like, yeah, that's my lockout feature. Don't bring my ATM card. Bring $1,200 cash. Bring credit cards, just to, you know, for swiping other stuff like food or whatever. But I'm like, I'm not gonna bring my ATM card so I can just pull out more money and just be a degen. I'm like, just no, I'm not doing that. Not fucking doing it, bro.
Yeah.
Not fucking doing it, dog.
I used to be heavy in the casino back when I was like in my early 20s.
Yeah.
Like I'm talking about heavy in the casino, bro. Like, and I'm actually net positive on my entire casino career by like $2,000, I think.
Really?
Yeah, like the most I ever won in a casino in one session was probably like close to $4,000, and the most I've ever
no wonder why you love trading. You're a junkie.
Bro, I'm a junkie, bro. I'm a junkie, bro. And the most I've ever lost in a casino session was 6,000, bro.
Oh my god, dude. That's fucking wow.
Yeah, bro.
Wow.
I don't even know. I used to. I've always made pretty decent money. Like even when I was like younger, bro. Because like when I was like 17, 18, I was automatically into like the restaurant industry. So I was serving, and then once I got out of that, I went straight to the military. Right.
Yeah, that's right.
And I got paid pretty decent. Like the military paychecks are trash, but it's like you don't pay for anything, so they just stack up.
Yeah, that's right. And are you on the GI? You're a GI Bill right now. You still get paid for them, don't you?
So I don't go to school.
Oh, that's how they do it.
Like I tried to. Like I went to school for like 2 months, bro, when I was like 17, and they told me I owed $3,000 for the semester, and I was like, bro, I owe $3,000 for the semester, which isn't bad, but in my mind, I'm like, bro, I'm doing all this work for you guys, and I'm paying you to do work. Like I'm not doing this. So I went ahead and left, and I started working at KFC.
Oh my god, you worked at KFC? That's wild, bro. Holy shit.
Yeah, I left college for KFC, bro.
Oh my god, dude. I mean, Hey, to each their own, bro. It's like in this day and age, you definitely don't need college, dog. I was the first person in my family to graduate from college, so it was like a huge fucking deal. But I literally graduated with a sociology degree, which obviously didn't fucking do shit with that. I guess like maybe it helped me with like communication with some stuff. Like, I'm like decent with making content on camera, but I don't know if that has anything to do with sociology. It's like I grew up in I literally I think I'm good at talking to people and just, I don't know, networking and just shooting the shit because of the restaurant industry, bro. I worked in the restaurant for 15 years, dog. Like it was like huge part of my life, huge part of my life. So I just know how to talk to like anyone and that type of stuff. And so like when I came in the trading industry, I was like, oh, okay, a lot of these guys are like really introverted and quiet. I was like, that's my edge, I guess, in the terms of like building a personal brand. I'm not, as you guys know, I'm fucking out there. So getting the rejection here at 88s.
Yeah, I moved my stop loss up slightly below London highs.
Had to walk away at work. I've been popping in as I get some more time on my day job, hoping to quit and trade full time by January. Dude, all Godspeed to you, brother. Hope you can. We had Brian in the chat. Brian just quit his job. Lawrence was my first client to quit his job to trade full time. Now look at him, bro. Now fucking look at him.
And I quit like I quit like a career. It wasn't even a job. Like I was getting paid like almost $60 an hour. I was an IT engineer for FPL, which is like the biggest utility company in like the world. Well, NextEra Energy. They're actually on the NASDAQ. They give dividends and everything. NextEra Energy is actually a pretty good company.
Yeah. Let's see, Ryan. But yeah, once I'm done trading for the day, I'll swing by and peep you and Lawrence, and I'll see who's green on the day out of the ASFX group. Awesome. Wonder Austin's been crushing it. Austin's been doing really well. He's really been really consistent. He's been awesome.
Yeah,
really
extremely. He just got to keep his losses under wraps. If he keeps his losses under wraps, he's good to go.
Yeah, for sure. So I'm looking at some of these stats right now for accounts. I'm $1,300 away from a payout on one of my accounts. I got 3 top 1 accounts. $1,300 away from one of them. The second one, I am about $3,000 away on that one. So 1,300, 3,000 away, and the other one is like I think like 5 or 6K. But it's like by the end of the month, I'm like, dude, I might be able to crush payout on all 3 of them, which would be sick, and that would put me up. I think like 18K in payouts for the month or something like that, which is solid. I'll fucking take that.
No, that's solid as fuck. Yeah,
absolutely.
I'm not even really taking out payouts. This like Austin's probably going to beat me this month because I think I want to grow my accounts a little bit.
Yeah, damn, dude, look at this fucking bullish market, bro. This is crazy.
Yeah, I know.
These reactions are just like any pullback, you get decimated, dude.
For sure.
Literally, this is gonna go to 150s, bro, for sure. Where's your target right here? 114. You're gonna smoke that right now. You're gonna get a rip stick candle on this next bar. This next 5-minute bar is gonna be a ripper.
That's what I like to see.
Yeah, it's gonna be sick. 2-hour profit target. I love it. Opening range. Got the markups going.
Oh yeah, and you guys, if you guys don't follow us on our socials. I'll put Tanner's Instagram on here. My Instagram.
Well, it says on our actual display here, follow us at The Strong Trader, at Lawrence the Investor.
Oh, nice. I forgot about that. Cool.
Yeah, we got the banners at the bottom. Banners at the bottom.
I was going to make it easy for them and just give them the link.
Yeah, they can do that too if they want. We are cruising. What a day. What a day. We export these trades, throw them into Zelskis. Throw them into TradeZilla. Where is it? Love it. Love it.
How many calls you got today? Like
I have a fucking wonky ass schedule today, dude. Since I'm leaving tomorrow. I got a haircut at 9:30. I got a marketing meeting with ASFX and all those guys at 10. I got 2 calls in the morning. Up my dude Colton. Colton's on the stream right now. What up, Colton? I got my dude Jay. And then I got a 3-hour gap, and I'm gonna train. And then I got another call 3:30. And then that's it. So I got 3 coaching calls, 1 marketing call.
Nice.
And then a bunch of other random shit.
Yeah, he said that's a gnarly job. Yeah, KFC wasn't gnarly. But the thing is, no matter where I went to work, I've always like I went to KFC, I started at the cashier, then I went to the drive-through, then I was trying to help out the chef. Like I always try to like be the best at everything, even when I was working at KFC, bro. Where'd you go to school? I went to Bowie State for like 2 months. It's in Maryland. Yeah, it's in Maryland. It's called Bowie State University. You said you went to Mizzou. That's what's up. Did you ever finish? That's the question. What are you drinking? Are you drinking that shit that people put in their face?
Dude, I'm so influenced, bro.
I'm so influenced, bro.
So I have this thing where I don't know if you know this actually about me. So I grew up only drinking water. Like literally growing up. So I've never had a full can of soda in my entire life. 32 years old. I've never had a full can of soda. I've had little sips here and there. I just didn't like it growing up. I was only drinking water. I didn't drink milk. I didn't drink juice. I didn't drink soda or anything. So literally only water. And then once I hit 18 and like all my friends started kind of partying and drinking, I was like, oh, I kind of want to try drinking, but I was like, I don't like anything but water. So I tried vodka for the first time. And then everyone's like handing me a chaser and they're trying to give me soda. And I'm like, no, I just want water. And so I would like chase with water. And then even to this day, like I still don't really drink milk or juice or anything like that. I don't drink soda at all or anything like that. And now I drink obviously alcohol, which is different. But like I don't know, that's just been my thing, dude. I just like do you not like soda?
Like, do you not like soda?
I don't like it. Like I don't like it. Like I tried it when I was young and I was like, I don't like it, and it's just something I just never really got into. And I don't know. I'm like, why the fuck would I start drinking it? It's awful.
I understand. I don't drink soda like that either. Like I will drink it like on a chaser, I guess, but mostly I try to go for juice. I mean, I don't like icing. Like I don't like icing.
Okay.
So, I hate like icing, bro.
The story behind this, though, obviously, you guys know the influencer, fucking Ashton Hall. But every time I go to the store, I always like joke about this thing because I like to try different waters, and I'm like, I want to get a fancy water. And so, like, when you're in the section, you're like, dude, this water bottle is like $7. Why is it so expensive? I can get this one for $1. I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna ball out and try this fancy water. So I do that from time to time.
No, it's crazy that you say that because it's a dream of mine. Like it's so great. Like one of my biggest dreams, and probably is like a real flex for me, is I want to have a water cabinet one day.
Dude, that's fire. That's sick.
Yeah, I just want to like have a water, like kind of like a wine cellar, but like for water, bro. Like different luxurious waters.
I wish I could take you guys to my fucking. I have like a little wine fridge thing in my apartment that came built in with it. And I was like, I don't drink wine. I'm filling this shit up with protein shakes and hazy IPAs, bro. I'm filling this shit up with beer and protein shakes. And so it's like, I back you on the fancy water fucking flex. That's super funny. Right here, the Fit Trader. I mix tequila and water and use lemonade Mio flavor squirter to add flavor. That sounds fire. I back that. That's awesome.
Super and I spend $50. I spend $50 a case on my water. Like I drink the Waiakea water, the Hawaiian volcanic water.
Oh yeah, you like that shit? The good shit?
Yeah. I can't get off of it, bro. Like it just tastes so good. Like I can't drink I can't drink Deer Park like that unless it's the only option. I can't drink Deer Park. I can't drink out here. We have something called Zephyrhills. That shit is ass.
Okay, what is that? Is that like the Arrowhead of out here?
Is it a local distillery kind of thing, like a local water thing? Like it's for local.
Okay, for sure.
Is that what that is out there? Arrowhead.
Well, we have Arrowhead, and I would assume I think it is a local thing to California because there's Lake Arrowhead, which is like right by Big Bear.
Yeah, so it's the same thing here. That's Zephyrhills in like South Florida. That shit's trash. That's just disgusting to me.
See, okay, so everyone's on the same game, but uniquely. I love this. Rusty. I got my basement fridge stocked with crazy variety of sparkling waters. Cut way back on alcohol a few months ago and replaced it with that. That's dope. That's awesome, dude. Fuck yeah, good shit. That's great. Brian, I have a mini fridge in my room filled exclusively with protein bars and Quest chips. I love that, dog. I love that.
Man.
In college, I had a beer fridge. Legendary beer fridge, dude. One of those that you slap every sticker in the book on that you get, and it's just covered in stickers. And I would fucking just always put my that's when I got super like into craft beer, and I would just like have all these fancy IPAs in there and shit like that. Like that was one thing growing up the restaurant industry also is like, especially I worked at like a fucking pizzeria and you know, it's like a sports bar. So we had a bunch of like craft IPAs on tap. And so I'm just drinking free beer whenever I want. So I got really into IPAs because of that. And like I love super local microbreweries. Like during COVID, I was like a haze snob, dude. Drinking all these hazy IPA snob where I'd be like, oh
my goodness. What was you doing during COVID? What were you doing during COVID? Like during that time, that was like something I used to binge like Hulu. Like I would watch a lot of Shark Tank. I would like
dude, you know what I was binging? Fucking trading courses and learning how to trade, bro. Because I quit my job in 2019. Literally quit my corporate job. Get this. So I worked for a restaurant technology company called Restaurant 365. And I quit that job to pursue trading full time in 2019. And it was October 2019, right before COVID popped off, literally like in January. And looking back, a bunch of people on my team got fired. They laid off a bunch of the company. I was like, oh, dude, I would have gotten smoked for sure. Because my manager didn't really like me. Because I was always like, he'd literally come up behind me and I'd be like on the charts, like learning about trading shit. I'd be like, what are you doing? And I'd be like, oh, and I'm like, this guy doesn't know I'm about to like get ready to fucking bounce out of here. Like, this is what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to create the rest of my life and get out the matrix. Like,
so like for everybody who's like listening to this, like what steps did you take before you quit the job? Like how much money did you have saved up? What was the
super good question.
Like, okay, I'm gonna do this right here.
Like, so I saved up $50,000. I had 50 grand to my name saved up. And at the time I had really like, I always thought I wanted, like, it depends where your cards are at, right? Like I was 26 years old. I lived in a house by the beach with my buddies. I paid $800 a month for rent. I had like a girlfriend maybe at the time, but like, you know, no wife, no kids. Like I had no responsibilities, bro. I remember I drove like a Mazda Speed 3. That was like my fun little car. And I was like, fuck this, I'm downgrading. I sold that car and I bought a Scion TC, a used one. And I pocketed an extra 10K from that, like that exchange.
Yeah.
And so I was just really big on just saving money. And then I went back to the restaurant at night to pay my bills. So it's like I had 50 grand saved up. I knew I could trade during the day and learn and take all the time to dedicate trying to be like a full-time trader. But then also I could bartend at night at least 3 to 4 days a week. And I mean, the money at the restaurant, like, you know how it is bartending at the restaurant and stuff. Like I would make $300 to $400 a shift in tips.
Yeah.
So especially during COVID, we did a lot of deliveries and people were really generous for delivering. So like I'd be delivering pizza, making fucking $250, $300 a shift, working for like 4 hours. And so I was like, okay, you know, with me, like I said, low rent, not a lot going on. You trailed out there.
Yeah, nice.
Trailed out. Nice trail. Good shit. Yeah, W's for Lawrence in the chat, guys.
Yep. 4:30 on the day.
Let's go. Let's go.
Yes, sir.
But yeah, I worked delivered pizzas, dude. And then like when COVID kind of finally, the really cool thing is the owner of the restaurant, like he didn't give into all that shit, dude. He did like the take the tables outside thing for like maybe a month. And then like literally I remember one morning he opened and he was like, fuck this, I'm done. He's like, bring everyone inside. Everyone's coming in. And he's like, let the government try to shut me down. Let them try. Let them fucking try. And then like after that, we became like the fucking, everyone's like, let's go. And then of course all like the pussy libs are like, oh my gosh, you guys are spreading COVID. You're the problem. Like, no, you're soft. You gave in to the fucking vaccine bullshit. I didn't get a vaccine ever, bro. Fuck that.
Me neither. I left my job before.
That's my rant. Justin, I got a question. I work 11 to 7 and then I work from 9 to 2. I normally trade 1 hour, but I'm pretty good at scalping on the 15-minute orb. Where do you guys have suggestions? Okay, so you work 11 to 7 and then you work 9 to 2. Wait, I'm kind of confused on that.
Wait, so you work 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. and then 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. to 7 a.m. and then 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. Jesus Christ, bro. What
do you do? Are you grinding, bro? That's like all day. And when do you sleep? You sleep from 2 to you guys sleeps
sleep is for the
poor. I guess you sleep from like 2 to like 8 or something. That's 6 hours. That's pretty crazy.
Yeah, like do you live your life?
Shout out Justin for grinding, dude. I'll give you respect for that. That's hard. That's a lot. I normally trade the 1 hour, but I'm pretty good at scalping on the 15-minute orb. I would say, are you on East Coast or West Coast? That's the question. Because if you're on East Coast, well, yeah, I don't know how you
have to have kids.
No, yeah, that's a crazy grind,
There's
bro.
no way you're working like this with no kids, bro. If you are, I have a different level of respect for you, honestly.
That's insane. Yeah. PA. Are you Allenton, PA? What is that? Is that East Coast?
Pennsylvania. Yeah, that's Pennsylvania.
East Coast.
Allentown,
Okay, so I mean, the number one thing I'm concerned about is just being like awake and ready to trade, because honestly, your brain needs to be recovered. Like we have Alex Alejandro. He works for, I think, like one of like an airport or something like that, and he's actually a really decent trader. It's just like sometimes he has these overnight shifts, and so like he's like, and I told him with coaching early on, I was like, dude, you need to like pick your battles, basically, because if you're not fully focused and tired and exhausted, you're not going to trade well. So you really need to think about what's your schedule look like and how can you fit in the best time to be like alert and prepared. And then also I tell everyone too, like, trading's your own business, right? So maybe you have to kind of switch your trading to whatever time fits for you. But when you do switch to whatever fits for you, like let's say maybe you only can trade power hour, right? Make sure you really study power hour action and things to look for, because I guarantee you there's some key things that are looking for versus trading the open, or versus like even getting into what we're going to get into soon right now. Kind of, we're getting into like what I call midday lull, which is basically just like the middle of the day, where it's like it's not really a lot of action, but there's still setups there here and there. It just depends on your schedule. I personally don't like to trade it, but I have some people that do trade middle of the day and they crush it. They like the really slow action. They're good at it. So figure out like how you're going to be the most awake, I would say, and then kind of go from there with it. So hopefully that kind of helps.
That's really good advice.
Yeah. So, all right, I think we're gonna wrap it. Pretty much both W's for me and Lawrence.
5 minutes.
Yeah, W's for me and Lawrence. Good shit. Thanks for hopping in, guys. We had like over 200 of you today. Awesome. Much love. Appreciate it. You guys saw me get wrecked on my first trade and then come back with a nice fat W. We're going into the long weekend with 3 W's in a row. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Can't complain. Market is closed tomorrow. Get some sleep. Don't fucking trade. I don't know if futures are like open for a little bit or something. I personally stay away from those days. I don't like them. But yeah, market's closed tomorrow. Friday, won't have a stream. Lawrence will be on ASFX. Oh no, you won't, because Austin's moving. Okay, so that's it. That's it. Wraps up streams for the whole week. Thank you guys as always. Much love. Appreciate you, especially the consistent ones. Fit Trader, you the man. Everyone else, stoked on you guys. Thank you.
See you on Monday.
We'll see you on Monday. Later, guys.